Hi, welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff with Snert. Today we are going to look at the Decathlon bed base, inflatable bed base that you can put under your SIM. Now, the box is a little bit dented. I've had it in the van for quite a while. I've been wanting to sleep on it, but I've not slept on it yet until I did the unboxing video. So I'm planning on sleeping on it tonight. So let's get it unboxed and see what it's like. Presumably I have the means to pump it up. I assume it wants pumping up, first and foremost. So let's get in the box and see what we've got. Let's remove the box first and foremost. So hopefully you can see that okay. I'll read out what it says. It's Decathlon Mattress Base Air. Easy assembly, cushion comfort, twinnable. So if you bought two of them, you can fasten them together. Berghaus do a SIM single and a double. I've seen two of these linked together, the Decathlon mattress bases linked together with a double SIM on top. I reckon the SIM itself is pretty comfy because I sleep on that all the time nowadays. But we'll let you know what I'm told, that this is pretty damn good, the two things together. So it weighs 3.9 kilos, so you won't be going walking anywhere with it. Maximum user weight 110 kilos, not for use on water, warranty 5 years. It's 2 meters long, 79 inches, 70 centimeters, 28 inches wide, that's 2'4", and it's 10 inches deep, 25 centimeters. So let's open it up the bag and we'll see what it's like inside. There's some instructions in the bed itself. 6 psi, pump it up to, unroll it, pump it up to 6 psi, and then put your mattress on top. So let's have a look, roll it out, see what it looks like. I think I might have that upside down. So you can see you can't sleep on it on its own because I've got these like lats across it that support the bed thing, and they inflate the outside edges. Like I say, 6 psi it says on there. These straps that go across the corner, you can see those. You put those over the top of your SIM. So the corner of the SIM is inside there, so that, and the two at the bottom, so that the mattress don't start sliding off during the middle of the night. Right, I shall now have to try and find an appropriate pump to pump this up. So back in a second. Okay, I found a pump, manual pump. You can use electric, 12 volt or mains pump. What I'm going to use is I'm going to use the stirrup pump that comes with my Berghaus, any Berghaus Air 4, Air Shelter, Air 6, Air 8, any of the air range. You can see down here that it has if you open this up, it opens completely so you can deflate it. But it's got a one-way valve on the other side. Screw that bit in first. On the pump that comes with the Air Shelton air tents, Berghaus air tents, there's a different type of nozzle on here that fits in these bayonet things. This tapered one will fit in there, so I'm going to use that. So just swap over the nozzles. You can put that one into there. That should go in there. And to 6 psi, which is the green part starts at 4 up to 7, so 6 just below, so it's pretty much where I put the air tent up to. Connect that to the inflate side of that, and we'll do some pumping. Going to be a little bit of extra admin for when I put my tent up this, but I'm hoping for a comfy night's sleep. Escaping, falling off the table. Obviously, I'm only doing it on the table for demo purposes. Right, that's about right. I'll just get my thing. There's a cover then that goes on over the valve, and tighten that up. These are the straps that I think you can connect the second one to it. You've got a second one, you want to make it into a double. I'll just get my SIM and we'll fit that to it. Right, so I've got my Berghaus Air SIM. Let's put this on and see how this fits. I've never tried this before. So put those across the corners. The same at the bottom, to each on every corner. And there you have. So what's that now? 50 mil, and the height was, I can't remember what the height was. The height on the bike says 25 centimeters, and another 5, so 30 centimeters. It's about 12 inches high now. So I will be sleeping on that tonight. That looks pretty comfortable to me. Wasn't too much of a trauma pumping it up. So I'll test that out tonight after some liquid refreshment and see how comfy I sleep on it. I'll let you know in the morning. Thanks very much for watching. So I slept on the Decathlon bed base last night with my Berghaus SIM on top, and I must say, very, very comfortable. First night, I had something to drink, so I will try it again tonight and let you know. But first impressions, very good, very comfy indeed.